Hi guys, today I am going to buy a treadmill, Power Max treadmill, electric treadmill. Everybody needs a treadmill, but somebody do not use treadmill. They walk or do some jogging anytime on the road. Now they are making opening up. Look how let's look. This is the video. Look. They're pushing it in my house. It's a very long one and I am very excited because I'm going to open and I am going to run on this electric treadmill. I'm very excited. Very long box. That is from the pipe to put it up, or else it is much more heavy. For that they can put it up, so they put up a pipe. Okay. I'm very excited because I'm going to buy an electric treadmill. I have a treadmill of myself already, but my birthday is also coming. For that, my father has bought an electric treadmill. Okay. This is the Power Max. Okay. Now let's see how it's open. First of all, we open this white thing. Now this is the cardboard. Look. We open the cardboard. Now my father is opening. It's a very long one because it's a treadmill. I have already one treadmill, but for my birthday, my father bought a Power Max treadmill. It's need electricity. We need an electric wire to connect it, and then it's run. It is much more heavy. And 3 people needs to get it up. It's very happy. Look, my father has put it down. Look, this is the picture of the Power Max treadmill. This is the, you see people sometimes running themselves. Hey, that treadmill is this treadmill. Open it now. Look inside the cardboard. Much more things are. All things are. We have to take out and then we have to fix all things. Then the Power Max treadmill is made. Okay, let's see. Let's look at all the things. Okay, this. All things are. We have to take out and then we have to fix all things. Then the Power Max treadmill is made. Okay, let's see. Let's look at all the things. Okay. Now 2 dumbbells free are given of 1 kg. People do slowly sums in the up. The treadmill, open it already. This is the wow. Look, this is the voice growing and smalling one. This is the speed. Okay, some more. This is the smooth and this is the stop. This is the safety. In everything, we need the safety. How does the accident happen? People do not follow the safety rules. For that, in here we stuck this one like a magnet. It is. And then we bring this clip. We press in here like clip, and then we hold in here. And then we start running. Then all safeties are given. In here, the cup put in place. This is also, these are the handles, this is the place where we run. In here I am standing to show you the things. This is the board showing how many speedily we run. Those are given in here. When we want to close it, in here has given a handle. We put in here and we get it up. Okay. In here, less than 100 kg can run on this treadmill. Because much more heavy pressure is not good also for this treadmill.